We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in today's video I will show how you can connect this EXO Ranger X7 Plus drone to your respective phone. So to start, you will need to power on both the drone and its remote controller, then interconnect them together. We have the separate video about all those topics, so check it out. Also, you will need to download and install the free third-party app called EXO Ranger. We also have the video on how to do that on both Android and iOS phones, so check it out if you're interested. So once the drone and RC are both powered on and interconnected, open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, then find the drone's Wi-Fi network, because once enabled it sets up its own custom Wi-Fi network, and then you should connect your phone to its network. So here is mine. Yours should be named somewhat the same or even identically the same. As you can also see, this Wi-Fi network is opened, it doesn't have a password. So connect your phone to this Wi-Fi network, and once you do that, that means that your drone and phone are connected successfully. Now launch the aforementioned Fly Ranger app. Here, grant it with all the permissions that it has to get in order to function properly. Those are the location permission, the camera permission, gallery permission is, well, I would assume it's optional, so you can grant it, you can deny it, that's up to you. Other devices in the same, I will also enable this thing just to be double sure that everything will work. And now let's see whether the connection went successful. We'll go into the flying interface or into the camera view, and it seems that something went wrong, but that's fine. Maybe then iPhone has gotten disconnected from the drone's Wi-Fi network. Well, it certainly doesn't seem like so. It is connected. Yep, so as you can clearly see, everything has been interconnected successfully. So that'll be it, guys. If you have any questions left, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.